Hope you are fine now. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel. A lot of people not subscribing my channel. Please click the subscribe button and complete my 2K subscriber. Now let's see the live price prediction of Cardano cryptocurrency in a market. What's the price of Cardano in a market? Let's see. Oh my god, it's a very bad news for all Cardano holders. As you can see here, the change is a negative 1.87% in the last previous 2 hours. And the high price of Cardano, it's a very bad news. It's a very bad news. Cardano high price is $1.2 is the high price of Cardano cryptocurrencies. If we can see the chart of Cardano cryptocurrency, so it's continuously falling down as you can see here. But don't worry, currently now they are jumping upward. As you can see here, they are currently jumping upward, so it's a good news for Cardano holders. Now let's see the live price prediction of last 1 hour. What's going in the last 1 hour of Cardano price prediction, and it's loading. As you can see here, the last hour result. So in the last hour, they are good news for Cardano holders. As you can see here, at this time they are jumping upwards, so it's the best time to buy a Cardano and make a good profit. That's the live price prediction of last 1 hour, and the change in the last 1 hour of Cardano cryptocurrencies in the market is negative 1.23% change in the market, as you can see here. And the high price of Cardano in the last 1 hour is $1.19. As you can see here, the price here increased according to the last 2 hour result. The last 2 hour result is $1.2 price of Cardano, and this last 1 hour result is increased $1.19 is the price of Cardano. So that's really good news for all Cardano holders. The Cardano quick jump starts from this time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and updates.